In clinical manufacturing, only a few batches are produced per drug candidate, typically resulting in less than 10% of full Protein A resin lifetime utilization. FIBRO chromatography combines high binding capacity with very short residence times. Purification cycles are processed in just minutes to enable full lifetime usage in a single day. The quick cycling time is achieved through convective flow, allowing for direct mass transfer enabled by the macroporosity and high surface area. FIBRO chromatography utilizes up to 100% of the lifetime of the FIBRO unit for a single batch. This decreases both the consumable cost and size. The MAB purification performance is comparable to Protein A resins, just faster, and a full chromatogram is generated for each cycle. FIBRO chromatography can reduce Protein A consumable costs up to 85% for each clinical batch, reducing initial capital investments and limiting financial risks.